Hello everyone. Welcome to this next topic of pattern matching with where clause. Okay. So let us directly begin with practical part. Now you can see this is the table sample. Make sure that you have this table in your system already. You will be having some table with other name. You can create a duplicate copy of it with this name. To know how to create duplicate copy of a table, there are previous videos. Kindly go through them. Okay. Now, let us begin with some very basic questions. Okay. Now, suppose the very first question comes that display records of those students who are from Kanpur. Okay. Very simple question. So, what you will type? You will type select star from sample where city equals to Kanpur. Now, the problem with this is that when you use simple comparison operator, the SQL looks for the same occurrence of this literal. Okay, so how Oracle will work? First of all, Oracle will bring all the records into the RAM. Okay, and it will create a pointer here and it will check one by one with this value. So first of all, it will go there here. It will check. Now it will check that whether the value of this city is Kanpur. Now you can see here it is written in capital letters, here it is in small, so this will not be matched. Next it will go to this, here KAN is a small but PUR is capital, so it will not be matched. Then I think this is also K capital, it will not be matched. Delhi will not be matched, this Kanpur will not be matched, this Kanpur will not be matched, this will not be matched, this will not be matched. So let us see what will come. No row select. So why? Because none of them were matched with it. But suppose if I change it something like this, may I do it, suppose K capital Kanpur. Now again what will happen? You always have to remember this. All these records are first of all brought into the RAM, and Oracle checks one by one record for the where condition that you have given. So it will go this Kanpur, it will not be checked. It will go in this Kanpur, it will not be matched. Then this Kanpur will be matched with this. So it will be sent to output buffer. This Delhi will not be matched, this not. So only how many record matched? Only one. So when you will run, this one record will be displayed. Okay. So now what you can see that this is very typical. Now there are many options to it. What you can do? See, one of the long but not recommended method is this. What you can do? You can type something like this, where city equal to Kanpur or city equals to something like Kanpur. Now what will happen? You can very well understand. Now this is important. Please try to understand. Oracle will again bring all these records into RAM and it will check first of all this first record. Now in this first record, this city value, please understand, this city value will be replaced by the value of this first record city value. So what will come here? Capital Kanpur will come. So capital Kanpur will be compared with the small Kanpur. It does not match, so this part becomes 0. Then it will go to OR part. Now again capital Kanpur will be compared with capital Kanpur. So this will become 1. So 0 or 1, the net output is 1. So this query passed this OR test. So this will be sent to output. Now take the second case. This is KAN PUR capital. Now this here it will be matched with this Kanpur. The result is not matched. It means 0. Then again this will be matched with this Kanpur. Result is 0, not matched. So 0 and 0, then the output is 0. So this will not go into the output. Now this third one, this Kanpur will be matched with this Kanpur. Here this value would be placed, this Kanpur value will be placed here. So it will be matched with this. This is equal to this. So it will be 1. But this one will be 0. So 1 or 0, 1. So as you can see, this will not be matched, this will not be matched, this will not be matched, all these will not be matched in both the sides. So only 2 records will be 1. So output will be, one more is there. There are 2 capital Kanpur. Okay. There is one more capital Kanpur here. This Kanpur and this Kanpur. Okay. So two record match. So with capital and one this one. So total 3 output has come. Okay. But now suppose you want to match this Kanpur also. Then what? Then you will write again something like this. You will have to take third one. But now you will say that this is not a correct way. But let me try once. Or city equal to Kanpur, or city equal to, let us type that this one KAN and PUR. So what you can see now, this has worked. So as you can see that this is not a correct way of doing, because how many patterns will you match? Okay. So another method is there if you want to shortcut this, or let me show you first, then we will come to the main shortcut method. What we will do, we will type something like this, where city in. Now we will type these occurrences in Kanpur, comma, or this Kanpur, or this Kanpur. Okay, then see. Now it is working. Okay, so again, Oracle has worked in the same way. When as you submitted this query, what will happen? Oracle will go to the first record. It will pick its city value because you have given where city in. So this city, this Kanpur, will be matched with these set of values. It will not be matched. It will be matched. It will not be matched. So total one match, true. This will be match, not match, not match. This match, true. This will be match. This Delhi is not match. So whatever, even a single occurrence is there, it will match and the output will come. But again, it is not recommended way, because how many pattern will you type? So there is another way, you can use string function. Okay. So let me first of all write this query here in PPT, so that maybe sometimes you need to write it down. Or so one method was this, another was this one. So both of them are not a recommended way of doing. So better is you use string functions, lower or upper. They will simplify your task. Okay, how? First of all, let us see what is the function of lower and upper. See, if you type select star, select city from sample, what you will see? All the cities will be displayed, but they will be displayed as they were entered. Now suppose you want to see all of them in uppercase. So what you will type? Select upper name, upper city from sample. So what you can see, all the values that were something like this, they are displayed in capital letters. But please note that this is only on screen. The values are still in the same way. It means select star from sample, they are still the same. Because please remember that select never changes the records. It displays only in the output. Okay. This you have to remember, that select will never change values in table. It changes only in output buffer. Okay. And the effect of previous query is not passed to the subsequent query in case of select. This also you have to remember. Okay. Now let us come back to this point. So what we have seen, that we can type select upper city, we can type upper name from sample. Both will be displayed. Okay. Similarly, we have select lower city from sample. lowercase. Okay. So let me write these two queries also in PPT so that in future if required they can be used. Please practice these queries. Select this and select lower. Interestingly, you can use both of them together also, no issues in that. Like select lower city, now you can write upper city. See, I used same column. It is not an error. Okay, all the records in capital as well as small letters are displayed. Okay, this concept will be very useful in your coming placement activities and all. So please be clear on this. You can use a column as many times as you want in a uh, select query. Okay. Similarly, we have select init cap city from sample. What does it do? It turns the first alphabet to capital, rest all small. As you can see. But again, the values are not changed in the table. I am repeating this again and again. Okay. Now, coming back to the first question that we were doing. Now, can you guess how this Kanpur query can be solved in a simple manner instead of writing multiple times Kanpur? Yes. Some of you might have thought correctly. Instead of matching individual values, what we can do, while matching we can convert this value to either upper or lower and then match with a certain value. Okay, like this. Select star from sample where. Now what we will do, instead of directly writing city, we will write where upper city equals to now what will happen? Very easy, simple. Understand. Again, what will happen? Oracle will bring all these values into the RAM and it will go to the first record and it will pick the value of city. Here it is capital Kanpur. So what it will do? It will place the value of the city here and it will convert into upper. It is by default, by chance it is capital only, don't worry about it. So this capital Kanpur will be converted again with capital Kanpur, no issues. The answer will be capital only because if a column is already upper and you apply capital and you apply upper, there is no error. Okay, so for example, like if I type, I just let me show you. Select city from sample where roll number equals to 1. What will be displayed? Capital Kanpur. Now if I type select upper city from sample where roll number equal to 1, then will it make any difference? No, it would be same. This column adding is different. This we will cover in other video, but the output value is same in both the case. So this was what I was trying to tell you. That doesn't matter. So this upper Kanpur will be converted into upper and it will match with upper value. So both are true. So this will be displayed. Then this Kanpur, then the pointer will move to second record. This Kanpur, it will be placed here and it will be converted into upper. So what will become capital Kanpur? It will be matched with this. So it is true. So in this way, third, it will be true. Delhi will not be matched with capital Kanpur. Then this capital Kanpur again will be matched. Then this Kanpur, then Kolkata will not be matched. Then this Kanpur will be matched. Then Delhi, Dehradun will not be matched. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 records will be matched. So you can see total 6 records displayed. So instead of writing these, you can see instead of writing this multiple times, Kanpur, 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 or in OR class, it is better to use this function here. Okay. What I have used function? This function. Yeah, but please be careful that when you are using some function, the right hand side matching value should be correct, otherwise it will not give you the result. For example, if you type something like this, like you type uh, lower city equals to, you have by mistake written K as capital and rest was small. What will happen? Not even a single will be matched. So no row selected will come. Because what happens? First of all, every record was converted to lower, but it was tried to match with capital K and rest small. It does not match with anyone, so answer will not. So if you want to give lower only, then you need to change your matching pattern also. Okay, so what you will have to do? You will have to convert into this is a small Kanpur. Okay, let's try paste it. I don't know whether it will work or not. No. Now see, there is a lesson from for you from this copy paste. See, quoted string not properly terminated. Now you can see the difference here. This quote is different from this quote. It is very important because I have pasted it from PPT, so it was changed. So sometimes the query might look correct to you if you are doing copy paste from somewhere, but it might be an error. Okay, because I have pasted from PPT and their single quote was different, so it did not work. So I have to manually correct it. Now it is working. Okay, so please be careful. I hope this is visible to you that this quote is different, as you can see here. Let me make it bigger. This is different from this. Okay, so it will create error in SQL. I hope this is clear. Okay, let's correct it and go back. So this is how you can do a bit of simplified or avoid multiple writing in or state. Okay. So with this, thank you very much. See you in next video. Please practice this. This is important. This can help you multiple times. See you in next video of pattern matching using like operator. Okay. Thank you.